Hi everyone, welcome to the first lecture on astrology from planetcombo.com. In this video, we will look back into the science of astrology. In Sanskrit, astrology comes from the word Jyotish. This has got a hidden meaning, right? Jyoti means light. Is means divine, or we call it Ishwar, right? So the science of astrology is a science of divine light. What it means is that someone's events in life, okay, when I say events, we call it birth as an event, we call death as an event, we got marriage as an event. So someone's event is governed by the planetary movements, and that is the science of astrology. Okay, now there are two types of astrology which are predominant in the world. Okay, one of them is the Indian Vedic astrology. The second one is the Western astrology. There are other branches of astrology, but as students, as beginners, it is suffice to know that these are two major branches of astrology. So in future lecture series, we'll be covering some of the differences between these two systems. Okay. Now, what we are going to learn in this series of lectures and what planetcombo.com has been researching is based on Indian Vedic astrology. Okay, so this is what we'll be learning around, right? The other one is what is the genesis of the Indian Vedic astrology? If you look into the scriptures, the Indian scriptures, the Hindu scriptures, it dates back to thousands of years back. Okay, there was a saint called Parasura. He was the architect of the Indian Vedic astrology. In fact, it is right to say he was the one who documented through various shlokas how every planet perform their duties towards human beings. Okay, so that is called the Parasura Hora astrology. So it is called the Parasura Hora astrology. Okay, right. Now the basis of learning that we'll be having in this lecture is based on Indian Vedic astrology, which is derived from the Parasara Sutras. Okay, so this is broadly a background on what is the meaning of astrology, what is the science of astrology, where do we start, and where do we go next. So in the next class, we will be covering around some of the branches of Indian Vedic astrology. Okay, there are multiple flavors of it, so we will be covering some of the flavors. Thank you very much.